Dear students, so UPSC have declared the results of Prelims 2023 in just 15 days. If you are somebody who is in Telis, who is going to write mains this year, your plans for next 3 months are more or less sorted. The only thing you have to do is completely commit yourself to the mains preparation. Now, if you are somebody who cannot find your name in the list, let's ponder on what exactly you should be doing. Now, it's very tough situation. Maybe years of your preparation has boiled down into just a few questions or a few marks in CSAT or GS paper. It's a very difficult situation to be in. But the sooner you accept that what journey you are undergoing is one of the most competitive journey in the world. You have to be at the cutthroat best to actually qualify every levels of this examination. Let's focus on what we can do or what should be exactly your next step regarding this. There will be one thing you should be very cautious about. There will be a lot of gyan in the market. Your friends, your teachers, your so many people, your colleagues or students, everyone will dump you with so much you do like this, you do like that. If you fall for it, there is no such a course in the market that makes you an ideal mains aspirant. There is no such sure shot program available in the market. What you need is a concrete plan of yourself. You need an understanding what is your strength, what is your weakness. Is your content your weakness or writing answers your weakness? Based on different what understanding, self-understanding, you should take a decision. Now, if you are making a plan for next 3 months, what you actually need is an action plan. Very concrete objective action plan that you can just focus on implementation for next 3 months. With this objective in mind, we have at Kalam IAS started the replay program. What the crux of the program is, on the same day of mains, that is on 15th of September, you will be exactly writing the same paper at our center also. Like essay paper, you will be writing at 2 to 5 p.m. Now, what we have similarly the process goes for GS1, GS2 and 3 and 4 other subjects. So what we are providing you is not just a test environment so that you can come and write the exactly same UPSC paper. We are providing you a target. I know most of you, somebody who is aiming at 2024 might have joined some kind of programs, some crash course, some value addition course, some test series, whatever you have joined so far, you have to follow that religiously. And what we are providing is a target, is an objective goalpost you should aim at. Prepare such that you are going to write the actual mains examination and give your 100% in these papers. This is exactly what is going to make a difference in when you're going to write mains next year. Now, this is not just a test. Simply will not leave you after writing the test. This is a comprehensive program. We will have a detailed discussion on each and every question that UPSC asked in the upcoming mains. We will provide you with model answers, and we have an evaluation system with face-to-face evaluation, where we sit with your paper in front of you, and we will analyze what exactly is missing elements, what exactly is the improvisation needed in the paper. It's not like a prescriptive framework. It's more like we will have a creative discussion. And at the end of the discussion, you will have some objective points. These are the areas which I should work upon. Then you go and work on it for next 2 months or so. So this is the overall plan of the replay program. Strongly suggest everyone who is not finding their name in this year's mains list and is aiming at 2024, go and make the best use of this program. Similarly, you can check out this discussion of last 5 years question that is already uploaded in the YouTube. The playlist right of the past PYQ, you can find all subjects, subject wise PYQ discussions. Similarly, the model answers, you can download it from our website. For any other queries on courses or any other queries on how you should strategize the preparation, don't hesitate to contact Kalam IAS through phone, to Telegram, to any of the communication medium available to you. That's all for now. Thank you so much.